When we think about ships, we often picture massive vessels gliding across the ocean. But what powers these giants? The fuel used in maritime transport is as diverse as the ships themselves, and understanding these fuels is crucial for grasping their impact on efficiency, cost, and the environment. Let's start with the most common fuel, heavy fuel oil, or HFO. This thick, viscous substance is a byproduct of crude oil refining. It's cheap and provides a lot of energy, making it a popular choice for large cargo ships. However, burning HFO releases significant amounts of sulfur oxides and particulate matter into the atmosphere, contributing to air pollution and health issues. The International Maritime Organization has recognized this and is pushing for stricter regulations, leading to a gradual shift towards cleaner alternatives. Next up is marine diesel oil, or MDO. This fuel is lighter and cleaner than HFO, making it a better option for smaller vessels and those operating in coastal areas. While it's more expensive, its lower emissions make it a more environmentally friendly choice. The efficiency of MDO means that ships can travel longer distances with less fuel, which is a win-win for both operators and the planet. Then we have liquefied natural gas, or LNG. This fuel has gained traction in recent years due to its lower carbon emissions compared to traditional fuels. LNG burns cleaner, producing far fewer pollutants, and it's becoming a popular choice for new ships. However, the infrastructure for LNG refueling is still developing, which can limit its widespread adoption. Another emerging option is biofuels. These are derived from organic materials and can significantly reduce greenhouse gas emissions. They can often be blended with traditional fuels, making it easier for ships to transition without needing major modifications. The challenge lies in scaling up production and ensuring that sourcing biofuels doesn't compete with food supply or lead to deforestation. Electric propulsion is also making waves, especially with the rise of battery technology. While still in its infancy for large vessels, electric ships promise zero emissions at the point of use. Hybrid systems, combining traditional engines with electric power, are already being implemented, improving efficiency and reducing fuel consumption. As we look to the future, hydrogen fuel cells are emerging as a potential game changer. Hydrogen can be produced from renewable sources, and when used in fuel cells, it emits only water vapor. However, the technology is still developing, and challenges remain in storage and distribution. In conclusion, the maritime industry is at a crossroads. The fuels we choose not only affect operational costs, but also have profound implications for our environment. As regulations tighten and technology advances, we're likely to see a shift towards cleaner, more sustainable fuels. The future of maritime propulsion is not just about keeping ships moving, it's about moving towards a cleaner, more efficient world. The choices we make today will shape the oceans of tomorrow.